Hello guys, I'm Lucky75 from Hardware Heaven channel. Today I want to show you unboxing of my new toy. Let's see what is inside this box. Box with very good paper inside, and what we have here, so that is my new wireless gamepad. Let's see what is inside. Inside the box we have that wireless gamepad with USB controller, it's Hama production, nice. Also it has USB port for power charging, and it's very close to PlayStation gamepad. What's also inside the box? We have user menu with so many languages inside, maybe 50 or 60 languages. That's cool. And we have also USB cable for charging of this gamepad. So I hope you enjoy of my movie. Hit the subscribe button and like. Have a good day. Bye bye.